In this video, I will show you how to change name in Instagram. This step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone, go and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, now tap on this profile icon at the bottom right side. So after you open your profile like this, now tap on this edit profile button. So as you can see now, under this edit profile button, as you can see now, there is an option in this section which says name. As you can see here is the option for the name, this one. So here is the name, so tap on it now. After you type the option for the name now, as you can see now you can be able now to delete the name, the existing name, and type in your new name on your Instagram. After you type the new name, as you can see now, you can tap on this save button now to save your new name on your Instagram account. So make sure now to note that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So if you change your name more than twice within 14 days, you can change it until you wait for next 14 days. Make sure to note that. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.